In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Snowflake. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, this is a fundamental process that you'll find invaluable in your data management tasks. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Snowflake account. This is where it all begins. Once you're inside, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you aren't already. It might seem overwhelming at first glance, but you'll quickly get the hang of it as we move forward. Now, direct your attention to the menu and navigate over to the Data tab. Once you're there, look for the Load option. This is the gateway to importing your data, so go ahead and click on it. Finding this section easily will make your data importing tasks smoother in the future. Next, it's time to choose your file source. Here, Snowflake gives you flexibility, accommodating different preferences and needs. If your data file is sitting on your computer, you have a couple of simple ways to go about it. You can either drag and drop the file directly into the Snowflake interface, a quick and user-friendly method, or use the Browse feature to locate and select the files you wish to upload. Either way, Snowflake makes it easy to upload files directly from your device. Alternatively, if you are working with a stage, Snowflake can handle that too. You'll need to select an existing stage, which is essentially a storage location in your Snowflake setup where files are temporarily stored for processing. If you haven't set up a stage yet, don't worry. Snowflake allows you to create a new one right from there, making it a seamless addition to your workflow. Once your file source is ready, the next phase is entering the mapping territory. This is where you'll follow the on-screen prompts to map your data columns correctly. Accurate mapping is crucial, as it determines how your data will align when loaded into Snowflake tables. You might be loading into a freshly created table, or you could be appending data to an existing one, depending on your project needs. Throughout this entire process, pay close attention to each prompt and cross-reference the structure of your data with the destination tables in Snowflake. Taking your time to ensure everything aligns correctly can save a lot of headaches down the line, so patience and precision here are your best friends. And there you have it, a straightforward but thorough walkthrough for importing data into Snowflake. With practice, these steps will soon become second nature, paving the way for more advanced data manipulation and insights. Remember to experiment and familiarize yourself with these features to enhance your proficiency over time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy data importing.